small details about your mother. We are coming from Shillong. Can you tell us more about the mother?
So my mother is born and brought up in Shillong and she got married to my father. We have a house in Lower Mawprim which is closed right now, which is ours. And I have so many fond memories of coming to Shillong, having Norbu's ka famous momos, meeting my relatives in all over like Shillong, and going to that what is that Shillong Peak, Sweet Peak, whatever it's called.
Sweet Falls.
No, that
Shillong Peak.
अच्छा ये लाटू काटी. No, what is that called? No, क्या बोलते हैं क्या peak है? What is that peak? Shillong Peak, right? It's called Shillong Peak only, na? Yeah. So going to Shillong Peak and so many amazing memories, yeah. So for me, every summer vacation used to be coming to Shillong, and I love Shillong and I love being in Meghalaya. So coming for Megong Festival feels like coming back home.
Okay, it must be nostalgic for you because how many times did you visit Shillong?
Oh my God, I visited Shillong.